Have asked for a slower and longer video of my quick crochet flower that requires no chain 4 method, no magic circle, none of that. You just need to know how to chain and to do a double crochet in US terms. So let's begin, shall we? So for this tutorial, I'm just using a chunky bulky weight yarn. So it's a yarn weight of 5, and with that I'm using a 6mm crochet hook. So it's really fun using a chunky yarn. And what we're going to do is start off with a slip knot, and then we're going to chain 3. So chain 1, 2 and 3, and those last 2 chains are going to count as a double crochet. So then we're going to work a double crochet, so yarn over, and going into your first chain we're going to work that double crochet. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Then we're going to chain 2, 1 and 2, and we're going to slip stitch into that first chain as well. So we're going to be working into that first chain quite a lot. And there we go, that's our first petal completed already. So we're just going to repeat that however many times you want. So we're going to chain 2, 1 and 2, yarn over, go back into that first chain again by your slip knot, and work a double crochet, then chain 2 again, 1 and 2, and slip stitch in that first chain again. We're going to repeat that 3 more times, or twice more if you want a 4-leaf clover. So we're going to chain 2, 1 and 2, yarn over, go back into that first chain, work a double crochet, chain 2 and slip stitch in that first chain as well. So we've got 3 petals now, and you may want to just move your stitches over to work your last 2 petals. So again, chain 2, 1 and 2, yarn over, go back into that first chain again, work a double crochet, or treble in UK terms, chain 2 and slip stitch. I'm going to do that 1 more time. Just make sure that tail end stays out the way. Chain 2, 1 and 2, double crochet. Let's move those stitches over. Chain 2 and slip stitch. And there we go, just cut your yarn. So I've already cut my yarn here, and then you just pull the loop through, and then we're going to take a yarn needle, thread our yarn onto there, and we're going to go through the center, but we're actually going to catch a little bit of the project at the same time, and bring that to the back, pull nice and tight, and again just spread out your petals. And there we go, there is our completed quick flower, and you can close up the center by using your tail ends to sew it closed. I recommend using the smaller one. So let's do that. Let's just see if we can close up the center hole if it's too big by just sewing through some stitches, pulling. Do that once or twice more. A good pull, and there we go. You can see the center has closed if you don't like how big it is. And there we go, really quick crochet flower, not using any chain 4 loops or magic circles. So there we go, hope you enjoy.